Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a closet tour, and I have actually never done one of these on my channel before. I feel like it's taken me a while to really perfect my closet and get it looking the way that I want it to, and I finally gotten there during this quarantine. I've really been taking the time to go through my clothes, go through my closet, declutter, make piles of stuff that I want to sell on Poshmark, make piles of stuff that I want to donate, etc. And I feel like every other time that I used to clean up my closet, I would always be like, oh, okay, well I haven't worn this yet, but I feel like it would look cute with this, so I'm going to keep it and just plan to wear it, and it just never happens. So this time I've actually gotten rid of stuff that I don't wear, no matter how cute it could look. If I don't wear it, you know, there's no point in keeping it, and it could go to somebody that actually will get use out of it and will wear it. I will leave my Poshmark link down below for those who are interested, and I'm constantly on that app. I'm always posting stuff and updating listings, lowering prices and things like that, so you should definitely go check it out. Not only am I going to be showing you guys what is in my closet, but I'm also going to be taking you through what is in my drawers, because that is part of like my clothes, and I do have two separate storages for them. So yeah, there's not really much else to say, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. So here is my closet. I would say it's a little bit smaller than a normal closet. It's nothing huge, and it's nothing like too small. I think it just works for me, and that's what I love. It has a little light up here, but I think I'm actually going to turn that off because it does give it like a yellowish kind of hue. So at a first glance, looking at my closet, you can tell almost 90% of the clothes are neutral with little hints of pink here and there. So a quick tip if you want your closet to look organized and have like a theme is to shop around whatever that theme is. I personally like black, whites, and grays, so that's what I mainly wear. I'm really plain, but if you are the opposite and like colors, that is totally fine. This is just my personal style. So as you can see, it looks very aesthetic just because I tucked away all the color. Now, if you want a theme, that doesn't mean you can't buy any colored clothing. So yeah, as you can see, when you look at my closet, you cannot really see any other color but those neutrals and a little bit of pink. I decided that I wanted to show pink just because I do have a lot of it, and it kind of just adds a little bit of color. But the colors that I'm talking about that I don't want showing are anything like oranges, reds, any like bright colors. So I do own a couple of them. As you can see, they're tucked away. Like these clothes are a turtleneck and a flannel for fall, but you can't really see them because of how I have it organized. Also, when you look in my closet, this is from what you can see, and then there is a little bit of a hidden area back here. It's nothing too big, but it just extends a little bit, so my clothes actually do stop like right about here. So when you're looking at it, you can see like the whole range of my clothes, but I have it organized from my tank tops to my hoodies. I do have most of my hoodies on the back of my door, but these are like my cropped hoodies and not actual things that will like keep me warm. It's kind of just for style. So yeah, first starting over here, I have all of my really skinny string tank tops. Then it goes to thicker tank tops. And also another great organizing tip is if you have two of the same style tops, like these, as you can see, they have like the same type of design, I will put those together just so it's easier to find when I'm getting dressed. And then into my short sleeve crop tops, then into regular full length tops. I have all of my white tops together. I also like to put brands together if they're like the same style. I'm not going to put an Adidas short sleeve and an Adidas long sleeve together just because they're both Adidas, but if I do have two Adidas short sleeves, for example, I will put those two together. Then goes into all of my like pullover sweatshirts. I have a Champion, a Nike, turtlenecks, flannels, cardigans, and then I have two jean jackets, one dark denim and one light. Then past this point is my favorite part. I definitely touch this side of my closet the most just because cropped hoodies are definitely my favorite style of top like ever. They go with anything and they're so cute and stylish. Then I have a white cropped zip up, a pink cropped zip up, a gray cropped hoodie, white cropped hoodie, and then after this point is all of my windbreakers. Another decluttering tip while you're cleaning out your closet is to make sure that you don't have any duplicates. So I do have lots and lots of cropped hoodies, but I don't have, for example, like two of the same styled gray ones. I do have two white cropped hoodies, but one's a zip up and one's a regular like throw over. So that's it for the clothes portion. And then over here to this side, I'm going to turn on the light because the ring light can't really hit in this side. It will be orange lighting, but over here I have all my extra hangers for stuff that's in the wash or if I get new clothes. And then I also have this rack that holds all of my scarves and my beanies. And then back here I have my dresses. The reason why I don't have them with the rest of my clothes is because this area is like easy access and it's what I reach for the most. And I do wear dresses in the summer, but it's not every day that I reach back here, you know. For the shoe rack down here, I will link the one that I use down below. I actually just got it yesterday and put it together. And it's really great because my closet is an awkward size. And there's also like, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a weird corner. It's not just like a regular 90-degree angle. So it's really hard for me to find a exact measurement for a shoe rack. But this one is expandable, so I'm pretty sure the smallest size is 26 inches and then it can extend all the way to 43. I do have a whole in-depth shoe collection that I will leave linked down below if you're interested more in depth about my shoes. And I also tell you a little bit about them in that video, so check that out for more information. And again, with my clothes, I did tuck away all of the color except for the neutrals and pink. I do have a pair of red high top shoes, but I actually have them back in the box that you would never even know, so they don't like ruin the theme. I know that might seem stupid to put away certain shoes or clothes just because they don't like match, but that's honestly a lot of it. For an example of how big of a difference it makes, this is it without the colored shoes versus this. Like, it doesn't look bad, but just like I personally like having everything look matching. Even if I wasn't trying to have a theme or like tuck away color in my closet, I feel like I still would put the red Air Forces away just because there is only room for whatever's out, and there is one high top that has to be tucked away, and I wear the gray ones more than the red ones anyways. Up here I forgot to mention is actually an over-the-door rack that I ended up mounting to my wall, and I just have 2 hats and then I also have a pair of gloves. This rack was actually blue. It was from Five Below, and then I spray painted it with metallic silver spray paint. And this door is just my attic, so that is it for my closet. Then going on to my drawers, this is the Malm set by IKEA. So in the top left drawer are all of my joggers and also sweatpants. This drawer isn't really organized in any specific order, like by the color or anything. I just kind of have all of my favorite sweatpants on top. Under here I have cargo pants, I have a pair of red camo joggers, and then also a plain white pair of joggers. I mainly wear joggers instead of sweatpants, so that's why I have a majority of them. But back here is a pair of sweatpants as well, that's why it's back there. The middle drawer on the left is all of my leggings. So I have my yoga pants over here to the left. I have all of my pink leggings here, regular leggings, so like from Aerie, or I also have like a ribbed pair. Over here are all of my print or patterned leggings. So I have the neutral color ones on top just so it matches. And although the whole tucking colorway thing is ridiculous, you can't even argue with me that the other way looks better than just having like a random pair of like brown cheetah pants with like all gray. Down here in the bottom drawer to the left are all of my workout clothes. So I have all of my shorts over here. I have my leggings in the middle, and I do wear some of these leggings in here to work out, but these are like my favorite workout ones and ones that are name brand, like Gymshark and like actual meant for the gym leggings. Over here are all of my gym tops, and then behind that are more shorts, but they're not really for working out. Like, they're velvet and satin shorts, so stuff that I wouldn't wear to the gym. They're just kind of like comfy lounge around shorts. In this drawer I have my bras and then my sports bras in the back here, and then over there is like my underwear, and I also keep tank tops as well. The middle drawer are all of my jeans. I think this is my favorite drawer just because it looks so like nice and organized. My jeans are organized by nothing but color, so it's not by style or anything. There could be a capri style jean in here somewhere, but yeah, so it's light to dark. And then I also have my colored ones over here. My favorite jeans are American Eagle, Mud, and Hollister. Those are like my 3 main brands. I will admit that I have lots of jeans, but they're like the staple to any outfit. Then lastly, the bottom right drawer is all of the rest of my summer clothes. So I have most of my summer tops in my closet, but I do have my tube tops and off the shoulder tops, things that can't really be hung up in this drawer, as well as my summer shorts. So I have all of my jean shorts here. I have a jean skirt back there. In the middle here I have all of my biker shorts. The pile to the left is all of my skirts. This right here is my maxi dresses and rompers. So yeah, that was it for my whole entire clothes collection. Also, if you guys want a separate hoodie collection, I can definitely do that for you guys. I actually have been thinking of filming that video for a while, but I want you guys to let me know down below if it's something you're interested in. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what types of content you guys are most interested in from me. If you guys want to see more vlogs, pranks, lifestyle videos, fashion, makeup, anything, let me know down below and I can definitely make it happen for you guys. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, you guys, I've been mentioning in the last couple of videos that we are so close to hitting 150,000 subscribers. I'm so excited, so share this video with somebody you love. And I don't know if we've already hit it by the time this video is going up. I'm pre-filming a bunch right now since we're in quarantine, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.